nurse training program ensures that our nurses are prepared to serve in diverse healthcare settings while contributing to service delivery. As a department, we are extremely pleased to announce that our pass rate in 2023, our pass rate in 2023 was 97%, which is 1% improved, which has improved by 1% from 2022. In 2022, it stood at 96%, and at 94% in 2021 during the COVID-19 pandemic. They were able to achieve that. We are also extremely proud to inform you that RK Khan campus is the best performing campus for 2023, with a pass rate of 99%. The second best performing campus for this graduation is Benedictine campus, with a pass rate of 98.5%, followed by Eddington on number 3. Followed by Eddington campus in third place with a pass rate of 98%. So I think they all deserve a proper round of applause for this wonderful achievement. Ladies and gentlemen, as you graduate today, please make sure that your qualifications do not become the wrong PhD, in the sense of a pull hair down syndrome. It is not an excuse for you to form cliques, so your degree is not an excuse for you, or your degree or diploma is not an excuse for you to form cliques, to undermine newer or less experienced colleagues. Instead, you now have the opportunity to use your qualification, experience, and skills to mentor, advise, guide, and support others, and support each other.